You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. Yes, it's a bit confusing. This is a word, a name of Irish Gaelic origin, but it's been anglicized. Okay, this is why it's not pronounced the way it looks like it should be pronounced. It looks like the pronunciation in English should be Sheehan or Sheehan. No, it's simply pronounced Sheehan. Alright, so just ignore the middle H. It's not pronounced, it's silent. And then it's not an, but un with a schwa sound and a sound. She un. Alright, so you could spell it S-H-E-E and then U-N. Sheehan. Stress on the first syllable. Sheehan. It's easy once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.